It's Monday, May 26th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And we begin the brand new week with the very latest on the Hudson's Bay situation, as the biggest question now is where, as in which of those soon-to-be empty Bay outlets will be replaced with a new department store. BC billionaire mall owner Wei Hong Liu striking a deal to take over 28 of the Bay's leases for what she is calling a more modern department store concept. What she hasn't said as of yet, though, is where and when. The latest temperature check for Canada's construction sector, not good. StatsCan finding that back in March, as Donald Trump was ramping up his economic attacks on us, investment in building construction was taking a hit, dropping 0.9%, $22.2 billion. Residential investment off 1.8%, while the non-residential side actually was up 1.3%, BC leading the way in that category. It only takes 2 minutes to get smarter. Canada's Business Beat. Updated daily on Twitter, Blue Sky, and wherever you get your favorite podcast, including Spotify and Apple. The more you listen, the more you know. As Donald Trump just manipulated the stock markets again, while the markets were generally down sharply last week on the latest Trump threats about hitting products entering the States from the European Union with a 50% tariff, he's now delayed that measure until July 9th, causing investors to buy again. The latest on the Canada Post labor situation, Cup W confirming that it's returning to the bargaining table this week while holding off on another all-out strike, opting instead to refuse overtime work. And checking the Business Beat radar for the week ahead, much anticipated StatsCan report on second quarter business conditions will be out on Tuesday. They'll also have the latest farm income on Wednesday, which is also the day for the Bank of Montreal's second quarter numbers. The Royal and Commerce banks will report their earnings on Thursday, and StatsCan will wrap up the week on Friday with first quarter economic growth data. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.